This is the explanation exercise explanation video class 8 subject geography chapter 3rd mineral and power resources. So let's see, हम लोग देखते हैं क्वेश्चन का सलूशन क्या है. First question number first, answer the following question. Name any three common question number first. Name any three common minerals used by you every day. Answer is that three common minerals used by us in day-to-day life are copper, iron, and salt. Now next question number second. What is an ore? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? An ore is a answer. Second, an ore is a rock from which minerals are mined. Ores of metallic minerals are found usually in igneous and metamorphic rock formation. Now question number third. Name two regions rich in natural gas resources. Answer is that answer third. Two regions in India rich in natural gas resources are Jaisalmer and Krishna Godavari Delta. Now question number 4. Which source of energy would you suggest for first A. rural areas, B. coastal areas, C. arid regions? Answer is that fourth A. For rural areas, solar energy and wind energy are feasible options. There are not many high-rise buildings to act as obstacle for sunlight or to break the momentum of wind. Now question number 5. Give 5 ways in which you can save energy at home. Question number 5 is that 5 ways in which one can save energy at home. First means A. Promoting the use of solar energy as much as possible, using biogas as cooking fuel. C. Drying clothes in sunlight instead of electric dryers to prevent emission and unnecessary use of electricity. Now D. Avoiding misuse of electricity, switching off fans and lights when not required. Now last E. Using pressure cookers for cooking. Take the correct option. Question number second. Take the correct answer. Which of the following is not a characteristic of minerals? A option, they are created by natural process. B, they have a definite chemical composition. C, they are inexhaustible. D, their distribution is uneven. Option C is correct. They are inexhaustible. Which one of the following is not a producer of mica? Question number second. Which one of the following is not a producer of mica? Jharkhand. A. Jharkhand. B. Karnataka. C. Rajasthan. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B is correct. Karnataka. Which one of the following is leading producer of copper in the world? A. Bolivia. B. Ghana. C. Chile. D. Zimbabwe. Answer C is correct. Chile. Now fourth, which one of the following practices will not conserve LPG in your kitchen? A. Soaking the dal for some time before cooking it. B. Cooking food in a pressure cooker. Option C, keeping the vegetable chopped before lighting the gas for cooking. Option D, cooking food in an open pan kept on low flame. Answer D is correct. Cooking food in an open pan kept on low flame. Now next question number third, give the reason. Environmental aspect must be carefully looked into before building huge dams. Building answer is that first, building huge dams causes dis, destabilization of the natural habitats of plants and wild animals living in the area. These environment aspects should be looked into before building dam. Now answer second, question second. Most industrial concentrated around coal mines. Answer second is that presence of coal mines around industries reduce the costs of transportation and also ensure easy availability of fuel. Answer third, petroleum is referred as black gold. Petroleum is a very valuable fossil fuel. Answer third, petroleum is very VERY should be there. Petroleum is a very valuable fossil fuels. Is it is used for running all machinery transport vehicles from a bicycle to an aeroplane. Now question 4, quarrying. Question 4, quarrying can become a major environmental concern. After quarrying, pits are not covered, so they may cause environment hazards. Now question number 4, distinguish between the following. First question is conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy and non-conventional sources of energy. The conventional sources of energy first. Conventional power sources are those that have been in use for a long time. Example, fossil fuels and firewood. Non-conventional conventional source of energy. Non-conventional power source are those power sources that have come to use recently due to the depleting conventional resources and growing awareness. For example, solar energy, tidal energy. Now, question number second, biogas and natural gas. Biogas and natural gas. So biogas, first biogas is obtained from the decomposition of organic waste. Second, it is a renewable source. Third, it is a non-conventional source. Now gas. Natural gas is obtained and a byproduct from the extraction of petroleum. Second, it is a non-renewable source. Now third, it is a conventional source. Question number third, ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals को हम देखते हैं. Ferrous minerals are those containing iron. They are magnetic. Example, iron ore. Non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals are those not containing iron. They are non-magnetic. Example, limestone. Silver, gold also. Now question number last, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metals in raw forms. Metallic minerals first. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw forms. Example, iron or bauxite. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Example: limestone, gypsum. Gypsum. Thank you, class.